I know questions that I receive. I receive questions about cold plunging and sauna, red light therapy, biohacking, diet, nutrition, testosterone. I'm not a doctor, not a scientist, not a fitness influencer. I'm just a dude, just a dad. A slightly above average dad, but I'm just a dad. And my goal is to try all of these fad things and see what actually works for me and share my experiences. And that's what I do on my channel. There's a lot of videos, over 1,000 videos, where I'm sharing my experience with certain things. And I try things like testosterone and clomiphene and GLP-1s and peptides and fasting and cold plunging, and the list is long. And yes, I'm okay sharing that. I have tried a lot of those things. A lot of things I've tried I'm not proud of, but that's okay. It's part of it. It's part of life. A lot of people will try those things and not actually share. They'll actually act like they've never done it. Kind of like guys who act like they've never watched porn, but if you asked every single man on the planet, have you ever watched porn? And they're hooked up to a lie detector test, they probably have, right? It's just people are scared to talk about certain things. I'm not. I'm a weirdo. I love talking about certain things. But I have a question for you, and I would love, it would be so helpful if you were able to comment on this video and tell me what your deepest question is. Because I just hosted a retreat for men. I had 10 men come from around the country and stay at my house. It was called the Black Sheep Club Retreat. And it was amazing, transformative, not a Christian event. This wasn't advertised as a faith-based event, but God was so present. 2 guys surrendered their lives to Jesus right here in my backyard. Some powerful things happened, and to God be all the glory. All the glory. My question to you is, what are your questions? Because one of the questions that one of the guys asked during a Q&A was how do you come up with content ideas for your channel? You put out a lot of videos, you're putting out a lot, it's a big production, how do you do it? And I said, truthfully, I read the comments, and if I have enough of a similar question, I'll just make a video answering that question, because if someone or 2 people or 3 people have the same question, that means there's a lot more that just didn't take the time to ask it. So I'll make a video answering that question. And I'd love to know what your questions are. I want this video to be a library of upcoming content. That would be, if I get stung by this wasp, I'll be so sad. Go away, go away. It's part of living out here in Florida and being in the woods when I'm filming, eating some steak. So I would love for this to be a resource library for myself for upcoming videos. Ask any question at all. It could be a horrible question. If it's gonna add value to your life, if it can help someone else, I will answer it. So please, ask me anything. I'll answer some questions to maybe help tee you up, right? I have a direct line of communication with pretty much every major wellness brand founder. Talk to most of them on a weekly or monthly basis. I'm on the board of a couple brands where I'm helping them with product development. I review every major cold plunge, sauna, red light therapy panel, even hyperbaric oxygen chambers and supplements and more. So I have my hands in a lot of different things. I'm able to experiment and explore and work with a lot of different things in the wellness space. I'm a wellness nut. I love wellness. Not fitness, not health. I'm not a doctor, but I love feeling good. I love energy. I love feeling on fire. I love feeling stronger. I love increasing my endurance. So I test out a lot of these different things. So I have a lot of experience. I have a lot of manpower and manpower? I have a lot of hours. Manpower? Not a lot of manpower. I have a lot of hours with a lot of these products. And that gives me a lot of experience and knowledge that other people don't, that a lot of reviewers don't. And what I found is a lot of people who review health and wellness products, they are only able to review 1 or 2 products because they just don't have access to them all. And hey, that comes with time, that comes with putting in the work, that comes with networking, going and putting yourself in rooms where you have the opportunity to talk to some of these founders. The bee's back. So to anybody watching who is an up-and-coming content creator and wants to do what I do, you can do it. It's possible. Just keep going. Just keep being consistent. You put enough content out there, make enough phone calls, reach out enough, and you'll talk to enough people. But to the people out there who are just genuinely looking for information from someone who has that experience, ask me anything. I look forward to your questions. I'll see you on the next videos. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless.